Hey everyone, welcome back to Auto Repair. Today we're tackling a common engine trouble code, P0128. If your check engine light is on and you're seeing this code, your car's coolant system might not be heating up properly. Stick around because I'll explain what it means, why it happens, and how to fix it. P0128 means your engine isn't reaching the proper operating temperature fast enough. This is usually caused by a faulty thermostat stuck open, low coolant, or a bad coolant temperature sensor. How do you know if P0128 is your issue? Look for these signs. 1. Check engine light is on. 2. Poor fuel economy. Engine running too cool burns more fuel. 3. Heater takes forever to warm up. 4. Temperature gauge stays low or fluctuates. If you notice these, it's time to investigate. Let's diagnose and fix P0128. Step 1. Check coolant level. First, make sure your coolant level is correct. Low coolant can cause improper heating. Top it off if needed, but if it's consistently low, you might have a leak. Step 2. Test the thermostat. A stuck-open thermostat is the number 1 cause of P0128. To test it, start your car cold and feel the upper radiator hose. If it warms up too quickly, the thermostat isn't closing properly. Step 3. Inspect the coolant temp sensor. A faulty sensor can send wrong readings to the ECU. Check for corrosion or test resistance with a multimeter. Replace if needed. Step 4. Replace the thermostat if needed. If your thermostat is bad, replacement is usually the fix. Always use OEM or high-quality parts and refill coolant properly to avoid air pockets. After fixing the issue, clear the code with an OBD2 scanner and monitor your temperature gauge. To prevent future problems, stick to your coolant service schedule. And that's how you tackle the P0128 code. If this helped, smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss our next repair guide. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. I'll help you out. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.